Hello kids, how are you today? Today we are going to talk about the numbers and we would try and trace them. So let's begin. Enjoy and try to copy. Zero from one end to the other end. Yay, 0. 1, 2, and the second step 2. 3, 1, 2, that's a 3. 4. Let's try and trace 4. 1, 2, and 3. 4. Great job. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a 5. 6. Yes, a 6. 7 in 2 steps. 1, 2. That's a 7. 8. Now that is difficult. 8. Yes, one snake and a second snake. Oops, that went wrong. Oops, that went wrong again. Yes, that's an 8. 9. One step and the second step. Oops, one step, and the second step, like this. 9. Yay! That is 0 to 9. Good job!